If you deal with dry, crepey skin anywhere on your body, but specifically if you're dealing with dry, crepey under eyes, I just wanted to show you this quick little hack. All right, so I just wanted to zoom you in a little bit so I can show you this little hack. But first thing is this supplement that I've been taking, and I think that this has made a really big difference. If you are struggling with the dry, crepey skin, no matter what you do, you might need to hydrate and moisturize from the inside out. This is a supplement from Ritual. This is their Hyacera. I had heard a ton of people rave about it for a while, and then I just recently started testing it, I don't know, maybe a few months ago. And one thing I am noticing is that I keep forgetting to put on moisturizer after the shower, because I think that this supplement is what is really helping to keep my skin really hydrated and moisturized from the inside out. I'm not saying don't use your moisturizers, but for me, I do notice I have to remind myself to use it constantly, because I am noticing a lot more softness and hydration in my skin. So if you are dealing with that crepey, dry, under eye skin, you might really like this. But not just to share my own personal results, I was reading that they actually did some studies with this product, and I'll pop them up on the screen. I think it went over a period of like 12 weeks, and half the participants were given like a placebo, a fake pill, and half of them were given this type of a supplement. And I think it was after 12 weeks they showed a significant improvement in hydration and deep wrinkles and fine lines in the skin. It also showed a significant improvement in the skin radiance and texture. So if you are looking for a supplement that perhaps might help kind of enhance the skincare that you're using, or maybe that you aren't using enough of, you might want to look into something like this to really help hydrate and moisturize your skin deep from the inside out. All right, and so this is a little hack. I've shared it before. What I like to use before I do my concealer is I like to put my favorite Coffee Eye Lift serum on. Now, it's called a serum, but it's actually an oil, and this is so highly concentrated, you literally only need one teeny little drop of this. So this is gonna last you a very long time. I think there's only 5 or 6 ingredients in this, but let me tell you, this has been a game changer in my concealer on my 53-year-old under eye skin. No moisturizer, no other serum, nothing has worked. Nothing super expensive has worked the way this product has. This is just a really lightweight, beautiful, deeply moisturizing and softening oil specifically for the under eye area. And if you use just a half a drop or one teeny little drop of this before you do your concealer, it just makes a world of difference. But if you look in the mirror midday and you just want to do a little quick touch up and you don't like how your under eye skin's looking, just I put one little drop on my hand and then I just kind of rub it around. So really it's like a 1/4 of a drop. And then just press it right over top of the makeup, the concealer that you already have on. And you're just kind of reactivating that concealer you already have on, especially if you use powder. Now, I will put a little bit of powder all over my face, but I do not bring powder up under my eyes. For me, I like to use a concealer that is pretty much self-setting on its own. So if you want to see another video of specifically what concealers, there's really only 2 or 3 concealers that at 53 years old, I think are total game-changing concealers, and the ones that I keep repurchasing over and over and over. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you want to see that video. But for me, I don't use powder, but sometimes your concealer can start to dry out. So you just take that little bit, and again, you just kind of press it. You're just kind of mushing it together. Let that just marinate for like a minute. Then what you want to do is, now if you are out and about and you need to retouch up with your sunscreen, you could use something like your Color Science 3-in-1 Total Eye. It's an all mineral SPF 30, and this is a really pretty under eye brightener, a kind of a sheer to kind of a lightweight concealer, but this is really beautiful and something I will use midday. And so I'm just going to use a small amount and just kind of press a brush in it, and then you can just put your concealer, let me just zoom in some more. And then you can just put that concealer right over top of it. You don't have to use a brush. You could just use your finger, whatever works for you. You could pretty much use any concealer. If you want to use a full coverage one like this one from Hourglass, actually I'll show you on this eye. So put some here, and I'm going to take a little bit of my full coverage Hourglass, whatever concealer you like to use for your beautiful face. Not only will you have instant results over time, the more you keep using this little gem for the under eye area, you will start to see that those little under eye crepey areas are now just nice and soft, and they just look like really pretty, healthy, radiant skin. Now, this is a more budget friendly product. But I have a lot of people that only use high-end, super expensive skincare, and they finally broke down and tried this because they hear me rave about it all the time. And they have left me comments and they've told me, oh my goodness, they were shocked that now this has a permanent place in their skincare routine because they are mind blown at how incredible their under eye skin now looks and how this might be more budget friendly, but this performs like a super high-end luxurious product. And I'll pop the next video up here if you wanted to click on it and check it out. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.